What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews. Now, iPad Pro 2020 is here. I got it right here in the middle, sitting out, and this is the Magic Mouse 2. I know the box is space gray. I can't find that one right now, so I got the other one that I had. Magic Mouse 2, Magic Trackpad 2 over here. Let's see which one is going to be the best for you and your iPad. All right, so jumping right into it, I'm not going to keep you very long because everybody knows about these devices. Now, with the integration of 13.4, we now get a real mouse on this device. If you can see the little orange cursor right there, and I'll go through a few of those features with you right here because I already have this stuff open. But once you come into your settings, notice that you can just scroll up and down using one finger, and that's this mouse. And then if I want to take my trackpad, two finger scrolling, there we go. No issues whatsoever on the scrolling. So if you ever want to change that cursor or the way it interacts with your screen, you just come out here to accessibility, scroll down until you get to the area where it says pointer control. Click on pointer control. You can do everything you need right here, even changing the color. So I'm changing the color, just scrolling through these, and you can make everything bigger, larger. Let's see, going in here, pointer size, you can make it huge, humongous on the screen, or you can make it back small. I like the small one. You got scrolling speed, all that stuff is accessible now with these two devices in 13.4. Now, with the trackpad, you're going to get a little bit of extra oomph. Now, we notice we have scrolling right here. I'm just scrolling my finger over, going from page to page, and you get those little highlights. Every time the mouse cursor goes over an app, it's going to kind of wiggle and get bigger and let you know that you're there. And even over here on your shortcuts, you can scroll with ease, no issues. The only major shortcut that you really have is the down. It's going to take you to your search, and that's pretty much it. Now let's talk about the trackpad. Now I'm right-handed, so I'm just going to swap the sides. But with the trackpad, now notice they are both connected at the same time as well. Trackpad gives you a few more gestures, going out, coming in, and it's still a little hard to get these navigated. Then up, two fingers down, up. So you get more gestures over here on the actual trackpad itself. Trackpad has a little bit more of a smoother scrolling experience. Now, if you like the mouse has a good scrolling experience as well. But I like the layout of the trackpad, and you can actually set the trackpad up to where you basically just tap, and you don't actually have to click on an app or anything to do it. You just tap, boom, there you go. So, and there's no tap feature on, let me show you, there's no tap feature on the mouse. I'm tapping, so you actually gotta click. So if you just want to tap, you want a little bit more ease or convenience, the Magic Trackpad is gonna be the way to go. For me, I'm gonna stick with the trackpad just because I like all the gestures that come with it. And the Magic Mouse is still a good device, but I just think for right now, the Magic Trackpad is gonna do a little bit better. Now, it's a little bit more expensive. You're going to pay anywhere from about $100 to $130 for this device over here. And for the mouse, you can actually get this anywhere from about $69 to $89 or so. But either one of these are going to be a great accessory for you to have, especially if you want to kind of set up a little computer system. And for right now, until that Magic Keyboard comes out with the trackpad built into it, one of these is going to be your best friend. I'll drop links below to both of these. Hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.